everyone, today we are at Meshroom. It is located in Lucao, Dagupan. So this is a very cool place with a chill vibe. It has an outdoor seating area for maybe if you want to smoke or just chill out at night with your friends. They have a second floor where they rent it out, the whole floor for events. And it opens from 10 in the morning until 10 p.m. on Mondays to Saturdays, and on Sunday 11 a.m. until 8 p.m. So let's go in and check out the place. So the place is decorated with skateboards. They sell these stuff. They also sell swimsuits, so they are sort of like very athletic, as you can see here. The area is huge with lots of tables and chairs. There is a comfy corner for groups right here, and there are 2 long tables. As you can see, this is a hangout place for students most of the time. Here, so we will be playing our card game here and our board game. So I love the design of this post, made from wood blocks pieced together. Very rustic, and these are the food that they serve. They serve snacks, healthy snacks, and they also serve cakes. So they have a cheesecake here. Let me just adjust the lighting. The place has come a long way. They have renovated and added other food to their menu. So they already have salads, and they have a starter pack or a Barkada platter that you can order. And the drinks that they serve ranges from coffee to milk tea to juices. So I'll check out their menu. Give me 1 moment. Just an overview of their menu. Here are the desserts. They have bread, salads, rice, pasta and noodles, soup even. And for sharing, they have appetizers like nachos. They have munchies like chicken skin and dynamite. They have pizzas and tacos. Oh, and fries too. These are the drinks that they serve. Like I said, they have hot and they have cold drinks. And look at how cute their menu is. It looks like it was hand-drawn. Like they use watercolor for the coloring of the drawings here. So I like this place very much. And I hope this will become one of the favorite places of our board game here in Pangasinan, especially in Dagupan. Look at this amazing fishbowl drink. This is for sharing. We have 4 people. This is the cucumber lemonade fish drink. They call it tea bowl, but of course it's like a fish bowl. And they have different flavors. They have raspberry iced tea. They have blue lemonade, pink lemonade, and cucumber lemonade. Their best seller is the cucumber lemonade. So let's try that. Chicken skin.
Oh, pwede yan. Maganda yan.
Maganda yan.
Pag isang card na,
Looks fried.
pipili ka ng isang card.
Kasama ko yun. Nabayad ka ba?
Pwede mo na.
Although, tingin ko yung airship, gaya niya talagang big-big. Ano tinapa ng big-big? Peter. Tingnan mo Peter kung